Hi guys, and welcome to week 9. So we've bricked up all of this part here and this bit's cut out. And we've got a new lintel above this window, all ready for the new window install. New lintel also put in above this one. And all the rubbish along here has all been cleared. And both of the signs have been taken down, ready for when we... And both of the signs from the old business have been taken down as well, for ready for when we actually repaint. But we've got all this rubbish to clear as well now. Will feed the washing machine and the sink, and then go tie and go across and tie into the sink on the other side as well. Remember this, there's a partition wall that's going all the way across that bit there. All the redundant pipe work has gone, and then you've got in the corner here, that is the outlet for the toilet. So Scott's just covered that up so that that's straight in there. So that outlet is into here now. Just give you a close up so you can see the membrane and then the turned up sort of 25mm insulation in the corner for the thermal bridgehead. With the sign gone, you can actually see the cracks running up from the bottom window all the way up to the top. Show you a shot of the floor drying there. Yeah, just back in the car now, so just wanted to show you a bit of a shot of, so you can see the new roof and also the new flashing around the chimney breast. Just see that around there. Yeah, really happy with that, with the roof. Keep saying that, but I'm overjoyed with the roof. I'm very happy with how that turned out. So we are back today, week 9, and as you can see, the pointing's been done. Just zoom in so you can see, and that's where we were saying before, where we're just putting in those bars and just we're doing the repointing as well, just to tidy that up a bit. You can see the concrete floor in here is now dry, and remember in this corner, that was where we had that massive hole in the roof. Morning guys, so I'm literally heading back out to the Nook this morning. It's about 7 o'clock, first thing in the morning, so apologies I look dreadful, but I've just got to go meet the joiners just to run through what I want them to do so that they can put the door linings in. So obviously when the plasterers come in, they can plaster right up to the door linings. So I'm just gonna head off to site now, and we'll meet them there and hopefully get some footage of that as well. See you in a bit. Right guys, so I'm just sat trying to figure out how much tiles I need. Remember, I've got some left over from the other flat. I've just worked out I have 6 packs, 6 tiles in each pack, and then I've got another 3 spare, so I literally have 39 tiles outside, and I've figured out from my plans, it was saying that I needed about 114, so obviously that minus I've said took off like 38 tiles because one of them's a little bit cracked, just to get a figure for how much I need for these 2 flats. So yeah, that's currently where I am at now. I am literally here with my notes, just figuring
some more costs and stuff out. So those two spaces here, these two here are just a rough sketch of the outline of the two bathrooms for each room. And obviously I'm just going to tile that wall and that wall for each of them. So I'm just literally, as I said, just figuring out how many tiles I need, and then I'm going to sit down and order those. So that's the plan for today. Right guys, so I'm just on Victoria Plumbing as well. I'm just having a look for bathroom suites and things, the shower tray, and obviously the toilet and the sink and vanity units for both flats. So I'm just having a look, and these are the ones that I'm thinking of getting. Again, nothing spectacular, nothing fancy. As I said, it's just durability, and I want a clean plain finish that I can easily replace if anything goes wrong. I can just switch it out for something else. So I'm literally just going to be going with white, chrome fittings, chrome highlights on the shower tray. This quadrant tray is what I'm looking at the minute, just to get a bit more space, because obviously it's a long thin space in the bathroom. So if I do a quadrant shower, the access point is here, so it's on the corner, so it's a bit better for obviously using the toilet and stuff and things like getting in and out. So it's a bit of a more effective use of space for that. So yeah, just looking through that at the minute, guys. I think I'm going to settle on getting this mirror shower, for electric shower for both of them. It's the right wattage. Try saying that, it's a tongue twister. 8.5 kilowatts, so that is great. It's a balance between that and obviously and quality as well. So I've been recommended mirror by the plumber and also by the electrician in terms of electrics and consumption and things like that. So, and again, we want something that's durable, it looks as nice as possible, but it's durable, because as I said, this is a rental, so it's got to be sustainable and for whoever lives there as well. And I've been told, as you can see, you've got massive A rating there, so I'm thinking that is the way up for me. So I'm going to go for the mirror showers. Right guys, I'm also looking at getting this EcoStrad smart panel electric water heater. It's a smart one. I think you can get an app for it as well, so whoever's in there can sort of switch the heating on before they get home and things like that. So it's more sort of energy efficient as well, because as I said, it's got to be sustainable, because everything in the flat's going to be run off electric. So whoever uses it in the future, it needs to be as economic as possible for them. So I'm looking at that, and it's obviously myself with my background, it's well between that design and durability as well. I want something that's going to last. I don't mind paying that little bit extra to get something that is going to last a long while and it's going to be durable, because as I said, it is a rental. So yeah, you can just put any bog standard thing in, but it needs to be durable, and so that it stands the test of time with a load of warranties and guarantees and things like that, so that, you know, anything happens, I'm covered, and also it lasts a long time. So I'm just looking at these, and I've sent them to my electrician, and I think he said these are quite good ones to go for as well. So you can see it's got smart controls on it on there for you. Just zoom in a bit for you so you can see that. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at to heat the flat, and they look quite nice and sleek as well. So I'm quite happy with that design. And again, it's just white, it's plain. I love white, it's just plain, clean, simple, and whoever goes in there can just add their own little touch by putting in pops of colour with decor and things like that. And you can switch it up as well when trends come in and out. It will last and stand the test of time. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at, guys. Another quick look at the tiles. That's what I'm having. It's grey, and also I'm going to be putting in grey grout, so it's not going to be white grout like what's shown here. It'll be grey, because as I said, again, it's a rental, and the first thing that gets grotty in a bathroom is the grout. It looks lovely like that. I would love to have it like that, but obviously it's a rental, and we've got to think long term. So grey tiles with grey grout, so that it doesn't go grotty and look grubby over time. Right guys, so I've also just sent off the drawing just to the kitchen guys at 4K Kitchens in Nottingham. They're just on the Kettle Market, just for them to give me a quote back for each of the kitchens. As she said when I went inside, when I spoke to one of the staff in there, she just said, obviously just send over your drawings with what you're proposing, and she can get a sketch done for me and then get a quote out to me, and then I can come back just to confirm and do any last minute amendments before confirming the order. So as I said, that is the first floor flat kitchen. So I've just sent this drawing over with, it'll have this on, and then just the layout and the arrangement for the first floor flat as well. So sent this drawing off with both flats on, so that you can see what I'm thinking and what I'm thinking of doing, because as I said, it's played a bit of Jenga with these kitchens, trying to fit everything in, because it's such a tight space for each of them. We've got to fit everything in, like the essentials, like the washing machine, a space for the fridge, and obviously cooker, hood, and obviously the utensil drawer as well, which is just here, that plain box there for each flat, and also the sink and drainer for each flat too. So yeah, that's all got to fit in, as well as obviously the worktop and everything. So we're going to go for pretty much the same kitchen as what we did for the Woollerton flat. So it will just be a grey concrete style worktop, which I think is quite nice, quite durable. It still looks nice now, and I think it's the plainest sort of pattern set that they've got in the shop for that price, so that obviously it's future proof, it'll last, it won't look dated, and it's an all white kitchen. So as I said before, nice, clean, also doesn't break the bank, and we'll style it up with some nice sort of thin, long thin black handles on all of the, obviously the base units and the drawers and things, so that will just sort of make it look a little bit more modern, but not too modern. It hopefully won't look dated soon, and it'll last a bit longer as well. So yeah, that's all done, guys, and we'll hopefully just wait for the quote to come in. And that's their details if you ever want to sort of speak to them, because as I said, the kitchens are second, so they've got a couple of scuffs and marks and stuff, but it's all on the back of the carcasses, which you can't really see once that's screwed into the wall. So it's great for rentals because it's a lot cheaper, but still looks, I think, nice, and looks really nice and stylish, but it's still durable. So we've got a mixture of a nice balance of design and durability, and we can also quickly replace them because they're not like crazy colours or mad patterns or anything. It's easily maintainable. So yeah, that's their details if you are in the East Midlands area. They're just on Kettle Market. So yeah, not a sponsored post or anything. I just, you know, if you want to pop down there, you can. Yeah, so I like to work with small local businesses where I can, because I just feel like it's nice, it's sustainable, and you just develop a nice relationship, don't you? And it's great for the next one. So yeah, nice local business there for you.
Right guys, so that is the bathroom all ordered. Obviously we've got the quadrant shower cubicles, we've got the electric towel rail, and the same bathroom set, sort of toilet and sink set that we went for in the Woollerton flat. And literally a couple of days later, we've got the showers that have come and arrived. Obviously just went for the mirror showers as I've shown previously. Right guys, so that is it for week 9. I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment and subscribe if you do, and also watch the next couple of videos for more updates on the Nook, and the next few videos as well. I'm just going to do a couple more of my past experience slash sort of educational videos. I'll be bringing those back again for another couple of videos, so look out for those as well, guys. But if you like the video, thank you, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.